Ever wanted to control your Windows PC from your comfy Ubuntu setup, even when you're away from your home? Maybe you have some Windows-only software you need, or you just want to manage a server remotely. Whatever the reason, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a remote desktop connection from Ubuntu to Windows quickly and easily. We'll also cover how to do it over the internet using a fantastic tool called Tailscale. So let's get started. First, we need to prepare our Windows machine. This is really simple. On your Windows PC, click on the Start menu and type Remote Desktop Settings. Click on it. You'll see a toggle that says Remote Desktop. Turn it on. You might get a confirmation prompt. Just click Confirm. If you face any connection issues later, you can disable network level authentication or NLA security from here. To access your Windows PC remotely, you'll need the correct username and password. Take note of your remote desktop username from here. If you set up Windows with a Microsoft account, you can use your Microsoft account username and password. And if you have multiple users set up, you can add specific user accounts here. Please note that users need to be members of the administrators group to have remote access. Next, go to the Network tab to find your computer's IP address. Select your active network adapter. Take note of the IPv4 address. We'll need it later to connect from Ubuntu desktop. Now let's move to our Ubuntu machine. We'll use a fantastic remote desktop client called Remmina. Open your terminal. Type in sudo apt update and press enter. Enter your password if prompted. Then type sudo apt install Remmina and press enter. Type buy and press enter to confirm the installation. Once the installation is finished, Remmina is ready to go. Let's open Remmina from the Applications menu. Click on the plus button to create a new connection profile. Give your connection a name, something like Windows Local is fine. Make sure it's set up to RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. In the server field, enter the IP address of your Windows PC. Enter the username of the account on your Windows PC that you want to log in with. Enter the password for that Windows account. If your Windows PC is part of a domain, enter the domain name here. Otherwise, you can leave it blank. You can customize the resolution, color depth, network type and other settings. But for most cases, the defaults are good. Click on Save and Connect. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see your Windows desktop within Remmina. You can control it just like you were sitting in front of it. Alright, with your Windows and Ubuntu machine successfully connected via remote desktop on your local network, let's take it a step further. In the next part of this tutorial, we'll explore how to access your Windows machine from anywhere in the world. We'll achieve this using a fantastic service called Tailscale. Tailscale creates a secure VPN network that seamlessly connects your devices, making them behave as if they were on the same local network, no matter where they are in the world. Best of all, it's incredibly easy to set up. First, go to Tailscale website and log in with your Google account. Go to the download section. Download the Windows client. Install it like any other program. Log in with the same Google account. Once you are logged in, Tailscale will run in the background. Now, to set up Tailscale on your Ubuntu PC, go to the Tailscale website. Here, you will find the official installation command for Linux. This command makes installing Tailscale quick and straightforward. Open the terminal. Before you proceed, ensure you have the curl tool installed. Curl is required to fetch and execute the installation script from Tailscale's website. Then, run this command to install Tailscale using curl. This command fetches the installation script from Tailscale's website and executes it directly. As you can see, I encountered an error during this step, so I'll need to follow the manual installation process instead. For best compatibility, select your specific Ubuntu version from here. Just copy and run these commands one by one to install Tailscale on Ubuntu. Once Tailscale is installed, you need to connect your Ubuntu machine to your Tailscale network. For that, run sudo tailscale up. This command will generate a link. Open this link in your web browser and log in to the same Tailscale account you used in your Windows PC. After logging in, your Ubuntu machine will be linked to your Tailscale network. You should see both your Windows and Ubuntu machines listed in your Tailscale admin console. Copy the Tailscale IP address assigned to your Windows machine. Now, let's go back to Remmina on your Ubuntu machine. Create a new RDP connection. In the server field, enter the Tailscale IP address of your Windows PC. Re-enter your Windows credentials. Click Save and Connect. Now, even if you are on a different network, you should be able to connect to your Windows PC securely through Tailscale. And there you have it. You can now securely remote desktop from Ubuntu to Windows from anywhere in the world, thanks to Remmina and Tailscale.